The first international medal, that is the silver medal, what she won, meant a lot to her. The fight and all the incidents, whatever followed after that, was imprinted in her memory. But deep inside, she was not at all happy with the silver medal. As she reached India after the first international match, she vowed, she took a resolution that she should bring an gold medal for India. She knew that she was good enough to win the gold medal. The silver in Pennsylvania gave some, after winning that silver medal in Pennsylvania, she got some money from the government, but that did not put an end to her financial worries. She wanted a job for her long-term security and for a steady income. She wanted a job. She had no savings and she was about to get married also. Then after the second world championship, in the second world championship, she won the gold medal. So after that, the Manipur government offered her a post of SI, sub-inspector. She was given a post as a sub-inspector, where she was given paid a amount of rupees 15,000 per month. Her long-term dream was that she should get a government job under the sports quota. That was fulfilled now. Mary Kom retained her title in the third World Women's Boxing Championships in Russia in 2005. So Sarita also participated along with her and she won the bronze medal. So when they both returned to India, in Impal airport, the people gave them a warm welcome and they had organized a grand reception in the Bhagya Chandra Open Air Theatre. So Mary Kom says that from 2001 to 2004 she had a good run. She had won several golds, all the senior women's boxing championships, the second women boxing championships in 2002, the second Asian women's boxing championships at Hisar in 2003, and the Witch Cup boxing championships at Pace, Hungary. In spite of all this, when she got married, everybody was doubtful whether she would win the medals even after the marriage. But she broke that. She participated after marriage. She participated and won the gold medal in the third and the fourth World Women Boxing Championship in October 2005 and November 2006. Mary Kom had won number of international level championships in Taiwan, Vietnam, Denmark and so on. But she says that the greatest achievement in her life is the world title in 2006 that was held in New Delhi, the 4th World Women Championships. In that 4th World Women Championships, which was held in New Delhi in 2006, she defeated Steluta Duta of Romania. So that one she considers as her greatest achievement. It was probably a very memorable one for her because she was able to win at home in her own mother country. And some other Indian boxers also performed very well in that, and totally India had won 4 golds, 1 silver and 3 bronzes, and the overall title also for Indian team they got. With this hat-trick means continuously 3 points they will get. With this hat-trick of world championship, the media christened her as a queen of boxing and a magnificent Mary.